In this video, I will show you how to update apps on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open App Store on your iPhone. Now tap on your profile icon located at the top right side. Now scroll down and under upcoming automatic updates, you will find update all link and a number that shows the number of apps that needs updates. So here is the list of apps that needs updates. So what you can do is simply click on update all link and this will update all the apps listed here. Alternatively, you can click on update button and this will update that individual app. The other way is go to the home page and then tap on search icon on the bottom bar and then find the app that you want to update. Just tap on the app and here as well you will find a button to update that individual app. So that is how you can update apps on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.